Hello, welcome to our makeshift kitchen right here at NCA&T, where cooking is made easy. Did you know that you can make kale chips in the microwave? You just need kale, salt, and olive oil. You want to take your kale, cut the stalk, and if you want to, you can either cut it or break the leaf into bite-sized pieces. Drizzle 1.5 tablespoons of oil and sprinkle salt on top. You want to toss the kale to make sure you evenly spread the oil. Lay the kale on a microwave-safe plate without overlapping. You can also customize your chips by using different seasonings. I'm using chili lime.
Oh, so crunchy. I dig it.